हेलो एवरीवन। अभी देखिए हमारे पास जो क्वेश्चन है, दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू ट्राइगोनोमेट्री. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, इफ sin थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू 1, देन प्रूव दैट cos टू द पावर 12 थीटा प्लस 3 cos टू द पावर 10 थीटा प्लस 3 cos टू द पावर 8 थीटा प्लस cos टू द पावर 6 थीटा माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज 12. ओके, सो okay, we have to prove it. Then prove, since sin theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta from here, okay, from here, so sin theta will be equal to 1 minus sin square theta means cos square theta. This is equation first. Okay, so let us take common from cos to the power 6 theta from all these terms except 1. Okay, now LHS, let us take common cos to the power 6 theta, then here will be cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 cos to the power 4 theta and then plus 3 cos to the power 2 theta plus 1 and then minus 1. Okay, after solving it will become 0. Let us see how. Equal to cos to the power 6 theta cos square theta to the whole cube. Let us change into middle bracket plus this is a cube, okay, and then 3a square b. 3a means cos square theta and a square means its square, b means 1, here it is 1, and then 3ab square. 3a means cos square theta and b means 1 square and then plus 1 cube bracket close and then minus 1 this one. Okay, so we can write cos to the power 6 theta means cos square theta plus 1 to the whole cube. We have just set all the terms according to formula, and then this one is minus 1. Okay, right? Now from equation first, cos square theta is sin theta. It means जितना पावर cos का पावर जितना है उसका हाफ sin थीटा है, तो 6 है यहाँ, तो sin हो जाएगा हमारा हाफ means 3 theta, and then cos square theta means sin theta plus 1 and then its cube and then minus 1. One more step remaining, sin theta into sin theta plus 1. It's all in cube, so we can keep in one bracket and then multiply its sin square theta and then sin theta into 1 sin theta, right, and then minus 1 and its whole cube. So sin square theta as it is we have written, and then sin theta from equation first, it is equal to cos square theta and its cube minus 1 from equation first, and here it is formula 1 cube minus 1, that means 1 minus 1 equal to 0. This is RHS. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.